Hello everyone. Let's understand what is the concept of marketing mix and four P's of marketing. The four P's of marketing is a model for enhancing the components of your marketing mix. The way in which you take a new product or service to the market. It helps to define your marketing option in the terms of price, place, product, promotion, etc. So that it offers you to meet the customer need as well as customer demand. So let's understand what is marketing. Uh, so it is like the definition that many marketers learn as they start out in the industry is putting the right product in the right place at the right price and at the right time. It's just simple. You just need to create a product that a particular group of people want. Put it on the sale someplace that those same people visit regularly and price it at a level which matches the value they feel they get out of it and do all that at a time they want to buy, then you got it made. So there is lot of truth in this idea. However, a lot of hard work needs to go into finding what customer wants and identifying where they do their shopping. Then you need to figure out how to produce the item at the price that represents value to them and get it all to come together at a critical time. The marketing mix is a good place to start when you are thinking through your plans for a product or service, and it keeps or it helps you to avoid these kind of mistakes. Like majority of the producers may not be able to understand how to produce, when to produce, where to produce, and how to market those products. So when you understand the marketing and four P's of marketing, there are four variables, that is product or service, place, price, and finally the promotion. So when you understand product or service, what the customer want from the product or service, what needs does it satisfy, what features does it have to meet these needs, or are there are any features you have or missed, or you can say, are you including costly features that the customer won't actually use? Or how and where will the customer use it? What does it look like? Or how will the customers experience it? What is the size? What is the color? And so on. Should be there in the product, or what the product to be called, or what is the brand of the product, how it is to be differentiated uh, versus your other competitors, what is the most important or profitability. So this will come under the factor that is product or service. So under the market mix, the next concept we have is the place. The next thing which comes under the four P's of marketing, that is place. Where do buyers look for your product or service? The place or the area, or it may be the online marketing, offline marketing, or rural marketing. So, if they look in a store, what a kind, a specialist boutique or supermarket, or both online, offline, direct, via catalog, etc. So, how can you access the right distribution or right channel? So, do you need to use Salesforce or attend trade affairs or make any online submissions, etc.? Or what do your competitors do and how can you learn from them? Or how the producer can product produce the product or which is more important to the customer, how you can differentiate between other competitors. So these informations will come under the place. And next we have is the price. So price is a very important concept where now here we can say what is the value of the product or service to the buyer, and are there established price points for the products or services in the particular area, or is the customer price sensitive? Will a small decrease in the price will gain you extra market share, or will a small increase is profitable, or it is more than the value or more than the margin, or what discount should be offered to trade customers or to other specific segments of your market, or how will your price compare with your competitors. So these things can be understood with the concept of price. And finally we have is the promotion. So promotion is where and when can you get your marketing messages across your target market. So how you can promote your product, or will you reach your audience by advertising online or through the press or on TV, radio, or on other social medias, or by using the direct marketing, or through internet, etc. So when is the best time to promote, or is there any seasonability in the market? Are there any wider environmental issues that suggest or which may decrease or increase the value of the product, or subsequent promotion is required for the commodity, or how do your competitors do their promotions? So what better you can do, and how does that influence your choice of promotional activity? So these things can be understood with the concept of marketing mix. So the four P's of marketing is just one of many lists that have been developed over the years, and which gives more profitability, and which can increase the mm, satisfaction of the customers in one side and profitability of the business in another side. Thank you.